Don't go in water. Unknown water leaks electricity. Deep pits are deadly. Rescue stalled. You absolutely never thought visual equipment avoids risks. Rescue flashlight. 3000 lumens brightness. Seeing road clearly in rainstorms. Can't dodge floating debris. Rescue safety helmet. Excellent puncture resistance. Protecting vital head parts. Accidental scratch bleeding. Rescue first aid kit. Built-in 100 dressings. Rapid hemostasis prevents infection, saving lives at critical moments. Want to finish rescue in 30 minutes? Reply 1 to get night search practice list. Follow for life-saving gear.